Hi Fatthy, this is your ignition lock. We have release, cranking. This key works. Yes, it works with emulated electronic steering lock. Your steering lock okay, this is unlock state, the situation when you can unscrew and detach electronic steering lock from the car. This is situation when key is in ignition lock. Now see, when you put your key, your ignition steering lock unlocks it again. Now when I put out the key, it must lock. Nothing happens. We tried to change mechanics, but no luck. When we tried to change sensor for lock unlock state, but no luck. It's a problem with this processor and it's not possible to change it. Sometimes when I put the key in ignition lock, it doesn't unlock me the ignition lock at all. Nothing happens. Or sometimes you need about 10 seconds to unlock it. Okay, now we will see the keys. This is your key. Okay, this is your key number 2. It's authorized, counter is okay, ID of the lock. Now we will test remote control. It works, 433. Now second key. Same ID for lock, authorized key, counter is okay. Again, testing remote control. It works.